program is brought to you by the oh so refreshing Mountain Dew. Sperm killer! But first, we have an outtake called Chocolate Deer.
The other day, I was walking through the woods, and I think I saw a chocolate deer, and he dropped these, and I'm wondering if it's chocolate. But I know. Definitely a chocolate deer.
Now, the real life.
Bailed outside and I pointed my weapon. Just as I thought, the fools kept stepping. I jumped in the slow, hit the juice in my ride. I got front and back, side to side. Then I let the Alpine play. I was pumping new shit by NWA. It was gangsta gangster at the top of the list. Then I played my own shit, it went something like this. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jogging the bitches, slapping the hoes. I went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting too.
Hello? Bob's Market? Bob? Bob? You know, I think I'm lost. Bob?
Dun dun. 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 Dun dun.
Good deal. Very good deal. Are you lost? Do you think I'm lost? Yeah. Do you think I'm lost? I think we're lost. We're definitely lost. Yeah! Wait, I'm sensitive! What? Wait, I think I see two. Booty kick! Oh, my leg! Oh, you crap! Get off the couch! Get up! Get up! Get up!
And that was real life.